Remember, the link for upcoming workshops and courses is in the video description and first comment. Welcome to this energy cleansing exercise to use every night before bed. We're exposed to energy pollution from people, places, and dense psychic energy. This strengthening works for adults, children, and pets. I am Rocio Santibanez, a Yuen method instructor, and if you find this helpful, please share, like, and comment. Your engagement helps me reach and assist more people. We'll extend this strengthening to your family members, and if you want to include someone else, just think of them briefly or mention their name now. We extend this strengthening to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. We strengthen the midline, central nervous system, meninges, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We tighten and relax this midline, boosting strength, endurance, agility, speed, coordination, and flexibility throughout your body. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's clear your mind and others from your cells, atoms, molecules, quantum particles, tissues, organs, systems, and structures. We'll clear the mind from your bed, bedroom, house, and the surroundings. Let's remove thoughts of problems, pending tasks, troubles, unresolved issues, illnesses, and current pains. We'll clear your mind of financial worries and thoughts about your loved ones. Let's remove all the mind's accumulated effects and its resistance to leaving your body, as well as your own resistance to letting go of the mind, sending it to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, black holes, and unknown parts of the cosmos. We'll clear all negative energy, energetic waste, larvae, and entities from any dimension, level, or form above, below, left, right, front, back, inside, or outside your body, your bed, your bedroom, and your house. We'll send them to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, black holes, and unknown cosmic realms. Let's erase all the weakening potential futures you created today, including dramas, fears, anger, tragedies, and negative thoughts about yourself or others. That have entered the realm of possibilities will transform into neutral energy, unconditional love, and high vibration, 100% infinite potential, all the time, forever. We'll remove the negative energy from others that's weakening you, energy from their thoughts, criticisms, looks, fears, words, attitudes, problems, illnesses, or shortcomings. Will clear all low-frequency energy from them, you, and the physical spaces where it formed and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. Will eliminate the negative energy you sent to others through thoughts, criticisms, looks, words, attitudes, problems, illnesses, fears, pains, and lacks. And will remove all this low-frequency energy from those you affected, take it from you and from all those indirectly affected, as well as from the physical spaces where it was created, and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes of the universe and other unknown realms. We'll now remove all the negative energy you picked up in the physical spaces you moved through today. Everything that stuck to you, consciously or unconsciously, we're going to remove from you, above, below, right, left, inside, outside, behind, and in front, and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes of the universe, and other unknown places. We'll remove the draining energy from all unresolved issues, past, present, and recent. We'll clear the weakening energy from what you see as errors, bad luck, injustice, and today's struggles. We remove the energy from emotions, sensations, and reactions caused by these experiences, erasing all cumulative effects to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time infinitely. Will neutralize your emotions, sensations, and reactions and strengthen your exit portals, armpits, jaw, bladder, sacrum, tailbone, genitals, palms, and soles of your feet. Will reinforce them to continuously tense and relax throughout the night, draining all debilitating energy 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time infinitely. I'll increase the vibrational frequency of your atoms, cells, molecules, and quantum particles to repel all low vibration energy approaching you while you sleep 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time infinitely. Will strengthen your core to block psychic attacks and nullify any contracts for abductions. Will fortify your body's cells to repel subconscious or psychic information while you sleep. We strengthen you 100% with infinite potential all the time forever. We boost tension, relaxation, and effort 100%, erasing all weaknesses infinitely and eternally. We separate past, present, and future, neutralizing your energy for these options infinitely. We erase fear in your micro and macro body as well as in your physical spaces. We eliminate the cumulative effect of this fear completely and infinitely. Let's remove the resistance of all negative energy we dealt with today to release it from you and remove your own resistance to letting it go, erasing, freeing, and forgiving it, protecting and forgetting it unconditionally. At zero infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. I'll connect your central nervous system to your lymphatic system both ways so your body detoxifies optimally while you sleep. Top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Will strengthen your exit portals, armpits, jaw, bladder, sacrum, tailbone, genitals, palms, fingers, soles, and toes. We tense and relax strongly to continue draining all debilitating energy throughout the night. At 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time, forever. Now we'll strengthen and protect your inner and outer dynamics, boundaries, and vertices along with all geometries we've worked on tonight. At 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time forever. We'll erase all weaknesses to zero minus infinity 100% of the time forever. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now? The same or different?